Alright, so this is going to be the 2026 1080p HD remake video of the 54-inch, I say brushed nickel, Hunter Antero ceiling fan, which is installed in my parents' bedroom at my house. This was put up, I say, around July or August 2020, when there was a Hunter profile in here. We had to take it down because it was wobbling too much. So yeah, alright, here goes the light. As you can see, the lights are working. Here's low. This is the speed that my mother keeps it on when she sleeps when it's hot outside. It makes a little scraping noise. I don't know why it's doing that. It didn't used to do that. I don't know why it does that now. Oh well. This year, this fan will be up for 6 years. This fan is almost 6 years old. This fan is from Home Depot. Okay, it's medium. And I also made another video of this fan about a few years ago, I think. I mean, not a few years ago. One of them was a few years ago, and I filmed this one as well, along with the other videos I made on it. It wobbles a little bit too. It didn't used to do that. Alright, here goes hot. We never use the speed. It's like 10. I mean, not 10. It's like a few RPMs. I don't know how many RPMs it is. This is the wobbliest speed. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.